Backend hosting used to be simple. Get a server, deploy your app, and you're done. Today, developers have to deal with serverless functions, managed databases, usage-based pricing, cold starts, and a growing list of cloud services. And while these tools are powerful, they're also making backend hosting more complicated than ever. The problem: modern cloud platforms promise easy scaling and less maintenance. But as your app grows, so does the complexity. You're suddenly managing multiple services, tracking usage costs, and worrying about performance limits. For example, your API might be running on one platform, your database on another, your cache somewhere else, and your background jobs on a completely different service. The more pieces you add, the harder it becomes to monitor, troubleshoot, and predict costs. Even worse, your monthly bill can become unpredictable. One traffic spike, one viral post, or one successful launch can cause costs to jump overnight. For startups and indie developers, that uncertainty can be a real problem. How VPS solves it. This is why many developers are turning back to VPS hosting. A VPS, or virtual private server, gives you dedicated resources on a virtual machine. You get fixed monthly pricing, full control over your server, consistent performance, no cold starts, freedom to customize your environment. Most importantly, you can run your entire stack in one place. Your API, database, Redis cache, background workers, and monitoring tools can all live on the same server. That means fewer services to manage and fewer surprises. Why developers like VPS? The biggest advantage is simplicity. Instead of learning the rules and limitations of multiple cloud services, you're working with a single server that you fully control. Need Docker? Install it. Need PostgreSQL? Install it. Need Redis, Jinx, or custom software? Go ahead. There are no platform restrictions forcing you to redesign your application. And because VPS pricing is usually fixed, budgeting becomes much easier. You know exactly what you'll pay each month. Cloud platforms are great, but they aren't always the best choice for every project. As backend infrastructure becomes more complex, many developers are realizing that simpler can actually be better. If you want predictable costs, more control, and a straightforward hosting setup, a VPS might be exactly what you need. Sometimes the easiest way to scale isn't adding more services, it's simplifying your infrastructure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.